Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to link text on Discord. And first what you want to do is put on two brackets right here. Put on two brackets just like so, and the parentheses. Here you will put on this one the text that you want, so let's say YouTube. And here this is where you will put the link on the open and close parentheses. Paste it right there, so make sure that the HTTPS is with the link, so you also need to copy that. And once you're done with that, just need to click on enter. And as you can see, you have now linked it, but if you want to hide this embed right here, what you'll need to do is do it again, just like so. And there, put on YouTube again. And the link, and you need to add this symbol, the greater than and less than symbol, just like so. Once you enter it, so the embed is now hidden. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.